Deleting your HostGator account involves a few essential steps to ensure that your data is securely removed. Here's how to do it. Log into your HostGator account. Visit the HostGator website and click on Login. Enter your account credentials to access your account dashboard. Back up your data. Before deleting your account, ensure you back up all your website data, files, emails, and databases. Once the account is deleted, you will lose access to this information. Navigate to the billing section. In the dashboard, go to the billing tab or account section where you manage your subscriptions. Cancel your services. Find any active services such as web hosting or domain registrations. Cancel all these services first, as you cannot delete your account while services are active. Submit a support ticket. After canceling your services, submit a support ticket to HostGator's customer service requesting account deletion. Specify that you want your entire account removed. Confirmation. Wait for a confirmation email from HostGator confirming the deletion of your account. This may take a few days.